Good evening friends. So today I'm going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the micro cap small cap company. You can say the market cap is just 284 crore and current price 164, high price 209 and low 102. P just 10. 10 P is very low as far as you can see. Consider the overall market structure right now. Every share are showing a market life high, but this particular shares are still having the 10 PE and book value 54 rupees. So what is the current price? The current price 164, so almost the current price 3 times of their particular book value, and dividend yield 1.22, that is also very good. Return on capital 25% return on capital, return on equity 32% return on equity. Ultimate company. Face value 10, peg ratio 0.02% peg ratio, which is showing that the company is having very good, maybe P is going to increase in the upcoming days. Equity capital 17.3, just 17.3 equity capital, you can say is not too much big. Current ratio is 1.35, price to book value 3, growth factor 3. So one important information, the company is having growth factor 3, but Piotrowski is very good. 9 Piotrowski is considered as very best Piotrowski for the company. Return on asset is for 5 years 8.74, debt to profit 2.77, and Altman scores 5. Whenever you see the Altman scores greater than 3, is called as very good Altman score. And if you talk about difference to intrinsic value, showing just negative 19, means the current price is something near to their intrinsic value, not more than that, less than that. And number of equity shares is 1.73, before 10 year 1.73. Solid check 1, excellent company. Whenever you see the solid check 1 is very good. EPS for latest quarter 2.35, or full year is 15.2. Sales variation not mentioned, profit variation not mentioned. So let's we see in the upcoming sessions. Now you can see the overall maximum chart of this company. Company price was moving around 30 to 40 rupees, 50 rupees, 20 when the market was falling. But after that, what a exceptional growth by the company. Price just 30 rupees, 50 rupees shares, now still moving around 160, 64 rupees shares. That is very good value and multi-bagger return by this particular stock. Companies deliver a good profit growth. Company has good return on equity in track record. Company deliver, that is one concern. Company has delivered a poor sales growth of 10% last 5 years. That is not that much bad. And company is doing the same kind of business by the Bharat Pro AI engineering. Now if you talk about what are the sales companies doing, if you click on the sales, you will see that the company sales is increasing 60 to 70% in 2021. In 2022 is 40%. Means you can say the company triggering 42 crore sales in March 2022, but now it is showing 63%. Only 1% degrowth happened in the March 2023, and 19% growth happened in December 2021. But if you talk about the overall expenses, company having some expenses, and apart from that, company is creating the particular profit of 9 crore in the latest quarter after the reduction, after considering the operating margin of 14%. But companies also having 18 to 17% capability of creating the operating margin. Interest, companies paying interest is still 1.7. That is not that much big deal for them. But after that, if you talk about the profit before tax, which is 0.63, and now it's 5.29, and if you talk about net profit, which is also increased, and it is showing 4 crore, but it was something reduced in last few quarters. But in the upcoming quarter, they can give a good result as far as this screener is saying. And if you talk about the sales of last 10 years, March 2014, the company sales was just 113 crore, but now it is showing 268 crore sales, exponential growth. Now if you talk about the operating profit here, company was creating the 12 crore operating profit in March 2014, but now it is showing 46 crore operating profit in March 2023. The company is still creating the operating margin, the 17% operating margin in March 2023, excellent by this company. And if you talk about the interest, company is still having interest of 7 crore overall year, and which is something higher than the last year value, but it is saying that the company is going to reduce their interest in upcoming days as far as the demand will increase. The profit before tax is also increasing from 9 crore to now 32 crore, and net profit also increased from 6 crore to now 26 crore. If you talk about the compounded sales growth of this company last 5 years, 11%, that is not that much optimum, but compounded profit growth, if you see last 5 years, 43% compounded profit growth. A stock CAGR is 16% last 5 years, and return on equity is 27%. Exponential growth by the company. One of the best thing for every investor want to see here, that the share capital company never change their equity capital, never compromise with the balance sheet here. And if you talk about the reserve, company reserve grows from now 16 crore to 77 crore. And if you talk about the borrowing company still having 73 crore borrowing, that is the one some matter of concern for them. But I think in the upcoming days they will reduce it. After that, if you see here the investment, company has nothing investment. If you click on the other asset, it will see that the company is having cash equivalent just 2 crore cash, something having the cash at par for this company. But if you talk about the trade receivables, 54 crore they are going to receive from the market, which is highest ever in their particular, and inventory is also 58 crore, which is highest ever for them. So demand is basically very good for this company. Now if you talk about the cash and optimum, this is 37%. You can say cash is almost flat here. And if you talk about the ratio, companies having debtor days and also inventory days, these things are basically flat here. Cash conversion also flat. Working capital is also showing 128 to 110 days. Return on capital employed 23 to 25%. And if you talk about promoter holding intact here, 73%, not changing single shares of the single piece of share, they are not selling it. And DIA holding is nil, and public holding is intact here. Very, very good for this company. But always check with your advisor before taking. What is the name of this company? Company name is Pradeep Metals Ltd. Okay, Pradeep Metals Ltd. You can say company is manufacturing, selling of forged and machined component for the various sector. Okay, now if you see the particular website of the company here, wait a minute. Website, when you go into the website, you will see that the company is having excellent forging capacity, and they are providing to the oil industries, different company industries, like for example they are making this kind of precision metal manufacturing shaft. And these are some latest news for the forge, valve, general engineering, manifold. So these are the different product. ISO, this company approved by the ISO, Novo certified, PED, and these are the different achievement by this company. But please check with the advisor before taking further position in this company, and always check the website and other fundamental information. Thank you watching this video.